What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about Redbubble, my journey over the next few months into making passive income with this platform. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making passive income selling low content books on Amazon, then check that link in the description below to go through to the Printing Profits course. This is step by step on everything you need to know to get started. Or you can go to printingprofits.com with no G. So, Redbubble. I've known about Redbubble for passive income, print on demand for quite some time now. I just hadn't got round to signing up and getting designs made. So this is my Redbubble account. As you can see, I already have 2 designs uploaded. Now my first thought was I'll just take my designs from my low content books and put them over on here. But after doing all my research and everything before I signed up, I'm now thinking that I'm not going to bother. I'm actually going to make specific designs specifically just for Redbubble. Now why is that? So this is a completely different platform to merch and especially obviously low content books with KDP. So I don't think the designs I make for my low content books would actually really sell on here. I probably will do a few tests to see if I can sell any, just upload a few here anyway, but the majority of my products which are going to be over here on Redbubble will be specifically designed just for Redbubble. So let's go back. As I said, I have 2 designs already uploaded. I haven't been on here very long at all. But if we go here, we can actually see that someone favorited one of my designs already. So it's already looking very promising. Now with Redbubble, they actually pay out once a month. I believe it's around the middle of every month. So that's pretty good. And so far, I'm liking this platform. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do when it comes to uploading. So I have pretty much a daily routine now. And I don't know how I'm going to work Redbubble into that daily routine. I don't even know if I am going to do it daily. I might set aside 1 day a week specifically just for Redbubble and put 10 or 20 designs up on that day. I'm not too sure, but I will keep everyone posted. Now if we go back to the products over here, I'm going to show you the types of designs at the minute which I'm going to start creating. So it's going to be kind of like these designs. So like that. Simple patterns is what I plan on doing. After doing my research, they actually sell fairly well. Something like this would be easy to create. You could get a bunch of flower vectors, some animals, some birds, and you can arrange it into a seamless pattern using Canva. So this is my plans, ones like this as well, because I could easily design that. Now I might even go down the route of actually having designers create me designs as well. I'm not too sure yet, but again, this is something that I'll be talking about further down the line, because now I've started Redbubble, I will also be talking about this on my channel, on the Stacking Profit channel, giving you tips and tricks along the way on everything that I'm learning, similar to what I did with low content books. Now don't get me wrong, I'm still going to be doing low content books. I do them near enough every single day. I have around 900 books published as well over on Amazon KDP, and I think it's time to start building out other passive income streams. Now, if you're interested in the type of income streams that I am creating over the next year, then check out my previous, or one of my previous videos over on the channel about my plans and 5 different passive income streams. They're Redbubble, Etsy, ACX, KDP, and courses. So go and check that out. And again, if you're interested in how I'm making money, passive income with low content books, then go over to printingprofits.com with no G and check out the course. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.